Good morning students, I am Ms. Pratima, your science teacher. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 3, that is fiber to fabric. In this chapter we are going to learn how different types of cloths are being made. We know that we are wearing the different types of cloths according to different climatic conditions. For example, we are wearing cotton cloths normally in summer season, correct now? Because in that cotton cloth we are very comfortable, we are convenient to wear that, understood? In the similar manner we are wearing different type of cloth in rainy season. So students, we are not wearing same type of cloth in full year, means we wear different type of cloths in different season, understood? So, have you ever thought that how these cloths are being made? What are the sources of it? And how the cloths are being prepared? So, basically in this chapter, we will learn about the different processes which are being involved in the manufacture of cloths, and we will learn how they are being processed. Okay students? Okay. So, let us start our topic of the day. First topic, that is fiber. We know that each cloth are being made from different types of material. Okay, so if you have seen, suppose we have cloth, if we tear it, we will find different thread like structure, understood? We will find different thread like structure. So there is nothing but fiber is that thin thread like structure which are being used to make the cloths. Understood students? So fibers are thread which we are using to make the cloths. Clear? Okay. Now what happened? By using this fiber, we are making the fabric. Fabric means nothing but the cloth material which we use to stitch the particular dress, particular cloth. Understood? So from fiber we are making the fabric. Clear? Okay. So again I am repeating the definition of fabric. The material which we use to make the cloths are being known as the fabric. And if we talk about the fiber, fiber is nothing but thin thread like structure. Clear students? Okay. Now we are going to learn the types of fiber. What are the different types of fiber? Fibers are mainly of two types. Here, types of fiber. First type is natural fiber, second type is synthetic fiber. Okay? As from the word natural, that indicates that if we are obtaining anything from nature, we will say it as a natural fiber. Yes students? In the similar manner, synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber means the things which we are preparing by ourselves, means which human beings are preparing by using the different chemicals and through the different process. Understood? So that type of fiber we will say as a synthetic fiber. Clear? Next time we are going to learn what are the natural fiber and what are the synthetic fiber. Okay students? So natural fiber, as I explained you that, are the fibers which we obtain from plants and animals. We know that if we are getting anything free of cost, that means maybe it is from animal or maybe it is from plant. Understood? So these are the natural resources from where we are obtaining the fiber. So if we are obtaining the fiber from plants and animals, we will say it is a natural fiber. Yes students? Okay. Here we can take an example, cotton. We all know that different types of cloths are being made by using the cotton. Understood? So cotton is also a natural fiber. Jute. Jute is also natural fiber. Then wool. And apart from these, silk is also natural fiber. Understood students? Now we will learn these natural fibers. What are the sources of these natural fibers? For example, here summer season, because cotton is very comfortable and convenient to wear, because they absorb what? Sweat, and they allow the air to pass through our body also. In this manner, they provide us comfort. Clear, students? So cotton is basically obtained from the cotton plant, and this cotton plant is being cultivated in different places of our country. We will study that later on. Okay. Next is jute. Okay. Now maybe you are thinking, what is this jute? If you notice that the doormats of your houses and various types of bags are also being made by using the jute. Understood? And this jute is being obtained from jute plant. Clear? Next, wool. Wool is basically the warm clothes, like for example scarf, mufflers, socks, sweaters, sweatshirt and all that. Okay. So all these are being made by using the wool, and wool, you all know that, is being obtained either from sheep or yarn. Understood, students? Okay. Next is silk. Silk is a type of worm, means insect. Understood? And this silk is being reared on large scale in order to obtain the silk. Means this silkworm, which is an insect, is being reared on large scale to obtain the silk. Okay. For example, silk is being used to make different types of cloth material. For example, silk sari, various types of ties also we are making by using the silk thread. Yes, students? So we studied here that what are the different sources from where we are obtaining all these types of fiber. Yes, students? Okay. So these were what? Natural fibers. Now I am going to explain you what are synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber, as I explained you before that, a fiber which is being made by the human being. Okay, which are being made by the human being by using certain types of chemicals and by certain types of process. It has been prepared. Okay, so the fiber which are made by human being with the help of chemicals. Understood? Example: polyester, nylon, acrylic. Clear? So polyester, nylon and acrylic, these are synthetic fiber, and these are also used nowadays on large scale. Understood? Next, cotton. Okay, as I told you that cotton is also a natural fiber, and from where does it obtain? It is obtained basically from the cotton plant. So in which season it has been cultivated, and what are the climatic conditions which are favorable or necessary or very suitable for the growth of the cotton plant. Okay, here the climatic conditions will be black soil is very suitable or convenient for the cultivation of cotton plant. Yes, students, and you all know that cotton is being obtained from the cotton plant. Clear? And warm climate is very suitable. Normally in our India, at many places cotton are being cultivated. So you need to find out what are the different states where mainly the cotton plants are being cultivated. Okay? I hope you all understood what are the necessary conditions, and as I explained you that cotton is being obtained from the cotton plant. So basically which part is being suitable? Okay. Normally the cotton plant are being cultivated in which region? The places where mainly the black soil is found and which are warm in cotton, silk, wool. Means here you need to write what are the sources. Means from which thing we are obtaining all these types of fiber. Yeah. The next is write uses of cloth. You all know that students, whatever the chapter that is about cloth only. Means how do we obtain the cloth? What are the sources of cloth? This one, fibers, everything. So you must know that how cloth